So I greet you now. When I share the video, I greet you, Bros Musa. I greet you. One love. If you don't want to get viral, I want to get something viral. I greet everybody in the house. This is so the new social media presenter, the new social media live video presenter, president. The new president no waro na no rukbo na I was online, I was offline for the past 4 days now. You understand? I am in Aigan with me. Ekmo wa o. That's the away. Let me want to guess one abandon what's in the carry. Yeah. You are your way. I greet you, Sharon Ebony. Water. Wage video wage vera. Lucky Osas, I see you. Good evening, my sister. But brother, I need to see you, brother. Wayato. I'm not vessel, I just the come. In my new office be this one. You understand? In life they upgrade. In my new office be this one where they diagnose the truth of the matter as they be. And I'll tell you, you're not taking out tell me. So yeah, I'm Jimmy. I calm, but it's a game so big. It's like social media. I'm killing it. It's not big anymore. Yep. Very. Yeah, let the music be paused. Yes. Now, good evening. Today, we'll diagnose this issue with English and Benin. You understand? Because I got to understand, say, a lot of people will not really understand Benin, they follow this program. You understand? So that's the reason why I'm going to diagnose them with English and Benin. I agree to know. Once again, this is social media president, the Umewe one of the universe, aka social media president, the new social media president. You understand? I say just be. But inside there, so I come here to diagnose issues, give my people the way it's just be direct from the source. Before I start, first of all, I want to thank everybody who has been in support of my, one way or the other, be support of me. In one way or the other, thank you all. Secondly, I also want to thank some people, some fools on social media. Some fools, when I mean some fools on social media, I want to also thank you all, because without you, there is no way. Without you, there is no bad comment. You understand? Okay, dame where Imani boom inyame wine. Inyarewe bobot inyame wine. What I mean is this: it's painful that some people are in civilized country, but they still have that low mentality of Africa. You understand? They still have dull mentality. Even people in Africa are still wiser than them. You understand? It's just the way it is. At the same time, I'm not here to insult people, but I'm just here to tell you people that, look, sometimes when I post something on social media, before you lay a comment as a wise man or a wise woman, think very well. It's very good for you to think when you see someone's comment on social media. Look at it with these eyes and look at it with these eyes and use your wisdom to comment. Or if you are confused, you cannot comment, just walk away. It's simple the way it is. It's not a compulsory thing that you must comment on people post. You understand? I post something on social media. Look, I need a phone. You understand? I was just laughing at people. But do you also know that same person that said he need a phone was chatting with you people on that same moment? When you were insulting, laying insult, he was also chatting. So what was he using to chat with you? Was it phone or cassava or wood? That is where many people get it wrong. You understand? One thing about me, I always do things in a way that nobody has done. You understand? I want to do my thing in a different dimension. You understand? It's just the way it is. Now, I have a lot of issues at hand to, talk about. I'm going to be diagnosing it little by little. It is done. If I cannot finish it, I would, shift it to another way, or part 2 next time. Oh, let me plug this phone. Excuse me. Yeah. So that was for the post. At the same time, I did a video that go viral, and a lot of people like sending me friends requests. A lot of friends requests start coming, good or bad people. They start sending friends requests. A day, if I don't accept friends requests, more than 200 people, sending friends requests all over. One thing about me, I don't need crowd. I need quantity, quality. I don't need quantity. I need quality people with wisdom. It's done. Those are the kind of people I need in my own platform. This platform I'm talking to you people is a platform of wisdom. If you look at the name of this platform, is Umenwe Talk Show. Umenwe Talk Show. What is the meaning of Umenwe? Umenwe means a child of wisdom, a child loaded with wisdom. So if you know that name, I didn't just give myself the name. The name was given to me by my parents. You understand? Due to some circumstances, that's what they give me that name. Yeah, you understand what I'm saying? There's something that happened in the family that a lot of elders try one way or the other to settle the issues, which there was no way. But I was just an errand boy who was looking at them when the issue was going on, so I could bring in solution, and it was a perfect one. And the overall senior, everybody called me that name. So today, you are the Umenwe, one of the universe. Okay. I did just give myself that name because I want to become a presenter. No, it's a name that has been given to me right from child, very small boy. The name I'll be calling myself that name right from Nigeria before I came to Europe, before I came to Scream. You understand? So this is the talk show of Umenwe, where we say it the way it is. Here, no bribing. No amount of money can bribe me for can close my mouth. I did a video where some people start calling me, some people, top people start saying, hey, we're back. When I was bunu you don't hear, when I was busted code you don't hear, when I was tell you don't hear, every on the market we are very one. Well, we are not going to be this is the problem with Edo people. If you do, not someone who do. You want to cover my mouth from saying the truth. A lot of women are not happy with me because I speak the truth. And you want Edo to the world. How would Edo go to the world? Inside darkness, inside primitive lifestyle. Edo cannot go to the world. If Edo want to go to the world, people in Edo should go to the world with honest mind. They should go to the world with sincere mind. I have a lot of things to talk about. You understand? If you are not a honest person, you don't have to call, because you want to talk to a honest man. You understand? We all are pretending as if we love each other, whereas we don't love each other. That's the truth. It's just the way it is. You will see a dope person want to kill a dope person. A dope person want to use a dope person to climb. A dope person want to drag a dope person down to climb. That is just the way it is. And you are all preaching Edo to the world. I greet you. Today I don't show. To come diagnose and the way it is. Okay now. I get a lot of matter to talk about. First of all, let me congratulate one of my brothers, who the mothers just celebrate her birthday. Mr. Ojo Jr., MC Ojo Jr. I greet you, brother. May God gives your mother many years to celebrate. Celebration will never end in your life. More is still coming. More celebration is still coming. You understand? We're going to talk about that when it is time. So, my people, I also want to use this video to thank one of my brother Tolles of Paris, brother Tolles of Lyon, France. I swallow for you. You too much, brother. But Banama, you be. You feel me? Who say you not go board and not go set fire for their community, and so you just be not me talk on low involved in anything they do, But the base for you, you too much, too clear. You understand? Person will they try, now they celebrate. You feel me? So you just be. What I told my brother, why is it tot at your toven? Who that way as a catobago? And I am la hoye. Even not bomb away. The more you know, Jomo Sakbago, the here go dia. We are not here, a meeting. We are not Zuo, Irovio. You don't know what it's just the way it is. I was in Paris, I was in Lyon, France, a few days ago, you know, having fun. This is the man, special investigator. And I'll get on amigo. Investigator will come for your house. Go see with your eyes. And so it just be. I agree to know. Still on the matter, I want to thank all of you now. The one way they good for inside, the one way they, pray for me. The one way or the other way they give me prayer. You understand? The God will bless you now. Man will come and say, one can speak truth for Benin. People must kill him. Benin don't like good thing. I tell you now, and therefore come. Man will come and say, one can speak the truth. People must there after around. Because now the truth, they cut them, they hit them. Today, I want to yarn a lot of things. And I want to diagnose some issue given. I talk about Akoberian, Destiny Bagua, Esther Dokbai, people come out, they shout. They want shop mirror. But I don't talk my word up from my room. God Almighty, the ancestors knows now the truth now talk. You understand? That one diagnosed past, I don't care. But those who will get sense, those men will get sense, those men will they cover their eyes. When I speak the word, their eye open. They call, they thank me. I appreciate you now. God will bless you now. God will bless you now. And so just be. But inside there, so my people, one thing I don't like, I don't like maybe say, I don't like to see Benin people, they bring down Benin, I don't like them. Instead, we go advise ourselves in one way. You understand? We don't even move advice. And this man called Abat Obaze, the one they bring Akobe down, Akobegian. See, Akobegian not be bad person. We be say, now one kind of devilish person. No. In one way or the other, Akobegian don't still give people joy with the music. At least that one alone, it don't contribute to the society. You understand? Destiny Bagua don't help a lot of people in those states. It don't still contribute to the society in one way or the other, whether a rough way or whatever. You understand? But the matter we say where I come out, I say me they said to me the peace day. Not be for Abba to come out come to insult Akoberian. Because maybe it on one side. The truth be say we know ourselves. All of us Benin, we know ourselves. We know as we will reach for us. Even though they get no tea doctor, they bam you up. Now the problem where I get with them be this one. The problem where I get with them is say they always talk and we be raw. I'm more you are bunu. The first thing that they bam you up with one thing on the other, we want just on the other. You understand? Not be today we start to see all those things. Picky when they born. You understand? For him to die, live go finish for bush. You feel me so? Now so it just be. But inside there, so God pass all of them. So how about relax? 4 + 4 that make you blow. You chill, relax. For that everything. So we know, see me. You and Akobegi are not be mates. You and Akobegi are not be mates. For inside everything. So for inside everything. You and Akobegi are not be mates. For money or everything, you and Akobegi are not be mates. We know the story. Even though they follow the governors, we know the story. It's just the way it is. I beg, my brother. Chill, make you relax. No, do those kind of things. If Akobegi and fuck up, call her. Wanna make peace, wanna run things. If you don't want here, say maybe wants to form activities, you want to call the form, say make too much now, do your program, talk to her, give her advice. Don't be to take on the pull her down. Because why? The 2 of them they bini. So it just be that one of our bad pending. So now for the problem with the Europe. Now let's solve for the problem with the Europe first. Hook up people. When I call they come. What's it be name? Rita Yemi Abina Rita waiting. Waiting be that woman name where they do hook up. When I call and come. All those they didn't get with the Europe, when I call they come. This is why they get problem with this one. Because my man not good. Talk as this year not go better for many women. Many people. You understand? This year, it don't go better for them. Because this year, I go knock on the way be. If I shall go to retire, I go enter house, be sleep. Pour water for tutu. Be sleep. Stop the nuisance for social media. Now they feel me. A lot of our women our women where we supposed to respect, our mothers who we supposed to respect as a mommy, children, and they insult them for social media. They don't shame. I know, say you can't shame the shameless, because a prostitute is always a shameless human being. They are not ashamed of themselves. You understand? This is why you see all of them on social media. Now, in don't cover. Social media not and definitely do now. Social media now live video and definitely they do in our security. But that my sister yaga so me no even didn't do one of the universe. But that my sister yaga no ya. But that my sister yaga na no. Okay now. The truth is this. Let us be frank to ourselves. If you all remember me, you all remember my video, if you are my very good followers, when I spoke a word, it definitely come past. I'm so happy. You know why I'm so happy? Because whatever I'm saying is coming to pass. I make a video, I say message to the hookup presenter. Hookup presenter. This early this year, it's not up to a month now. Few weeks ago, I make a video, I say message to hookup presenters. Now, what is happening on social media? A young man come out to be insulting all of them. He insult Maboy, he insult Ugo, he insult Rita Ayemie. A young boy, he came out categorically. He insult Yeboy, he insult Rita Ayemie, he insult Ugo. Ugo the Central in Germany, he insult her well. A young boy. Now, I don't ask myself, why are these things they come out? Why small children now they come out? They lay cause to old people, old men, old women. Old men, old women. If life tire you, enter house, make pour without a body. Just the way I am. If you bring matter come for me, if I hear your side, I go hear the other person's side. I will settle on within out of camera. I must not come out to live video to come and settle your issue. That is totally barbaric. You understand? A man of wisdom, you settle things out of camera. You can make conference call. We do it in a conference call peacefully. That is the only way I can move to the world. When you don't come narrating for live video, you can't expect me to quiet. I go still come on live video, come insult you. Don't always think because you belong to this group. It's just the way I am now. It's just the way I am now. I can't disgwangwa Monica. Because Monica fans, they believe on Monica, they go they insult me. No one will ask, what did Monica do you? Why you they insult Monica? Or I can't insult this girl Lolo. People don't go come and say, why you they insult Lolo? Because they belong to Lolo group, Lolo team. They will come and insult me. This is, and people want to go to the world. How I don't go to the world. Now look at what happened to these hookup people. All their shower, they cut their shower and they beat and they walk. Who want verse me? Verse who want use head knock with me, knock for wood. You understand? Now waiting they come to be done because they don't deserve respect. Those who deserve respect, will they respect you now? Ashawo we don't tire for work, they don't feel work. They get paper, they don't feel work. They'll come live video, they do live video, they find small money where YouTube go they give them. They deceive small boys with pass river enter Europe. Now they go they call us erosion flush us come. Now Libya pass us come. Libya do me well. Una way pass flights come. Una fit on get bring. Una not get bring. Now we come abroad. Now come abroad. Now fly. We come. Who use flight enter Europe? If fly come. We trek now we waka come Europe. Now we get the sense. Now we know what we see for Libya. Anybody we pass Libya route no get sense. No get sense to give for thing go die. Now listen, Oga go now you even the verse me pass for inside. Don't be say I hate you. I don't hate you at all. I don't feel hate you. The reason why I the verse for you because you are agabagebe. Bobona. Women, muna be careful of men where they praise women. If you are a woman, you dey follow man where they praise woman. See my mommy, my love, run for that man. That man can sleep with several women Oh, na my mom, you, my auntie, my love, my baby, run for that kind of man. He can sleep with several women. And the style, what if they do should be that one? I go always talk on the way be. It's done. Any man where they always talk, my mom, you, my sister, my aunt, run for that kind of man. Man where they bleach. Man where they bleach, they do my mommy, my before you talk, you go be careful. They always form of praising women. It's always form of praising women. Praising women. Run for that kind of man. If you look at life, if you look at Facebook, now so women full of, and these women are articulated women. Most of them are articulated women. Those women with the market don't key. Fish way fresh, people rush, they take them. The one where eyes don't come up for your body, the shake because if you look at it, you go on I beg on a wound. Now then follow that Ugo group. Ugo they consist nuisance for social media, but you don't know. How many of them don't know? Let me tell you, if you talk of the person where bully woman pass now go. Because none of the followers stay for house, none know your secrets. When I share this message, when I even call them, when I share, make it because there was a player, okay, they watch her. I mean, who gonna be the best way bully woman, we be say disrespect woman pass. Can I shock you people? If you come on live video, you go always praise women, single mother. You go if they always encourage single mother, he's a good encourager. He encourage single mother, he encourage prostitute way. That is his platform. It's made up of. Now, let me shock you guys. A man that respects woman can never cheat with his wife. A real man does not flirt. Yeah. A real man does not flirt. He adores his wife. He respects his wife. He praises his wife like nobody else. That is a real man. How many times have Ugo praised his own wife? No, you know, his own baby mama that he is living with in Munich there. How many times has he praised and worshipped and adored his wife on live screen to the general public that he is living with in that house? But you see him, Ketia, that is my mommy. Neneni, that is my mommy. Ritayemie, that is my mommy. Neneni, that is my mommy. He praises other women. Why he kept her own donkey inside the room? Some of them they use brain. He go they praise other women. You hungry? Okay, no problem. You understand what I'm saying? So my people, why would not they use brain? Now this little boy came out to shout out about this hookup. This so-called woman called Ritayemie. You stand doing hookup. Hookup don't turn to work on 50 euro, 70 euro. You collect money from this woman. You see what this women they do? If I talk on the listen. Now, this hookup is another style of prostitute. They give one girl to many boys. So they collect money from men. They register with them. They collect money from you. And all these guys, they wonder what they go to find for hookup. When big boss are. If you not get with babe for your platform, call my platform. Women there with the single, with the find husband. Chat with them. Be honest with yourself. Because anyone will go like you. Be free. You understand? For not to go hook up with the fan, they pay money. If your girlfriend say you give her 70 euro now, you not go give her. You go to give Ritayemie which down you. It don't make sense. Now there you forgot for fuck up. I said, guy man. Because they look us like we were passing like, oh, we not get sense, we not get brain. So they want to use wisdom to stick money from now. Now just watch, we just enter New Year. See all these Okbo with the Europe, they just enter live video, they talking about hookup. Hook up. If you know what they watch program, so hook up. And then when they hook people up, few of them know, only one, when they only use that, I mean, I'm married, say, we married Kokobiri. Only the one who get husband for inside. The rest of them don't even work, no, who get husband. Hook up, hook up. You when hook people up, you never hook yourself up. You know? Now just the way it is. I just got beg now. More now they use brain for everything when they do. Hook up. People we want hook you up. They never hook themselves up. If see now New Year with this, so you need to upgrade for everything we do. And I want also to thank I must talk. Which was going to say leave Monica. I know Monica, just use her for example. This is the problem with most of our followers. Now they always listen to one side. You understand? I just use Monica for example. You understand? That's how you just be, you know. So first of all, me I congratulate this man. I know me. Person they fuck up and they try to fuck up. If you still do well, still praise him. What be this man name? Ambrose, Monica husband. That man they try. You understand? Monica husband, and man you be. You try. You know why I praise Monica husband? I want to tell you now why I praise that man. It's no easy. For that man to bear all this nonsense, all this why. What Monica they do, all this nyama thing Monica they do for you to bear and it take Monica now go UK, he come upgrade Monica. He upgrade Monica. Monica not do the live screen. Monica not be like this CNN now. So bravo, I clap one for you, you try. You dey feel me? The man try, you know. He's a computer wizard. That man is a computer wizard. I know. You know, I know more about him, but just that he too quiet. For a kind of face, he too quiet. You understand? All those things where they be bros at the time you try, I will not lie you try. All those things where you be for Monica, me no fit be I will kill her for his ass. I tell you. That bros, I raise hands for you. Monica husband, me I raise hands for you. I know Monica fans, but if I see man when they try, I go to prison. I raise hands for you. You too bam, too clear, too balance. I test you. I use this medium praise Monica husband. That man too clear. For the when Monica they do, I don't kill her for herself, not my wife, not my wife. I'm not marrying her. So you see the way God to the blessed person, God will know the kind of character where you be. He will give you the kind of husband who will feel accommodate you. You understand? That man, for what is your ruggedity where you look the way you play it as you rugged. Me say me that kind of borrow man. We be say me, you know 1 year, but you feel be that woman. You try, bros. I don't lie you. You try. Monica husband, you too go try. No, me I not go be around. When me why I say my own kind of crazy different. I know if you build those kind of things, when Monica they do. I mean get her for us as a wife. You understand? You see, and the way go to the try, we go to the blessed woman. A blessed Monica with better man. You understand? I just listen to tell Monica, go respect that man. Hold on strong. I test you, hold on strong. Don't see that kind of man. What is your nyama way they do for live video? Cause he man, cause he open studio for you. Actually for that man. You know, so I go touch many things today as a president, you understand? So I need to address my people. I need to touch many sides. So Rita, I am here. Back to you. See, if you want hustle where? As the truth. Hustle where? You try for your hook, but they try to be honest. I don't want to hear from you. I don't want to be judged to me. I just listen to what they do. Na videos, I listen to na video, I pick point from everything I do, and your kind of live video we they do, I pick point for these things we they do. You they try, you know way they try. You understand? There's a video where they do which I do. I really say okay, this one get sense. You they try. There was the principle we get sense. You they try, but inside that so, stop defrauding money from people hand. You understand? If you know say you know give woman, give person, hook up, no one who can help. Not collect money for your hand. What is the main essence of the money? More than 70 euro want to connect person. You collect for the boy, you still collect for the girl. It don't make sense now, sister. I better check them out. You don't just introduce person to person. You must still collect money. If you get better work, what they do? If that not be that place with the source of your money, the source of your income. That means it's when madam where they make human trafficking stop. So I guess don't leave now. No go get other work on the do it. Why would not they always do all these things? Our women. Now when they invest things, they come out all those kind of style of prostitute. We not fit us live prostitute lifestyle. So looking, say I block your brother they insult me. Your brother not want to use brain. Let me see. I carry block him. He don't want to use brain. You know what? You only look one side. You don't want to use the other side. You understand? I give my FMT, they talk and they want to talk anyhow. I want to talk anyhow. You understand? I'm not the carry the block person, my brother. You understand? Me, I'm down the block person. For me to block you, I go unfriend you. I don't go block you. You understand? But inside this, so I'll go check them out. I'll reopen now. You understand? I'll go reopen and I'll be like, shit it for me. Because you don't understand the reason why I post that post. You understand? You don't know see me now, my FMT. And I still, for if to say I really man will really get brain. He get brain, no, don't be say don't get brain, he get brain, but he want to prove too smart. I make we block him. You understand? The man get brain, so looking like I thought to your brother, he get brain. You want to prove too smart, I make me block him because I give her FMT. And you know what me FMT, you know what him day. So he won't the change that for me now and block him. You understand? Now only these people will not understand what they play. Only that FMT we are proof for that. Many people will get brains supposed to know what this guy they do. You dey feel me so now say just be. I greet you my brother also looking one love better style. We know the I go and block him. Don't forget today you write the name for me so that I go check him out. I go block him on my page. You understand? Say just be. I greet you now. Some people still on the matter about Rita Ayemi, you know. It's not good. This guy now, he come and they insult people. People will be so supposed to respect. Okay, see this woman now, my boy, now my sister. You understand? The reason why this matter touched me, touchalized me, and the way they continue to insult my sister, the way they continue to insult my boy, which is not fair. And my lovely sister, who I love so much, you understand? When we say, man, this kind of thing play, I'm supposed to collect bullet for her. You feel me? As an insulter, I'm supposed to come out. Who be that person? We're going to insult my boy. You understand? But no me, I know the bias for anything we do. I'm not kind of man, no bias. And obviously because you my mama, you don't go beat another person picking. I can't go join you go to beat. I know they do man. My boy in a mother. Iye. When you see that kind of thing occur, you're supposed to settle that issue amicably. You don't know what thing they do. You know I didn't settle issue. I know they sleep for nights. Call. While are they Europe? People problem. You understand? I go now so I got the proof for you the conference. I know they ask for money. I they buy card for my phone till they call people to make peace. You understand? My boy know. He not to remove anything from my body. He just want to make peace. Be a peacemaker. But instead of hear one person side, come out for live video, call the chat, call the Lakers, it don't make sense. Obio mo ewe na gbo ye oyason wa mo ni romo we yomuta woman with all the bone not to put the Lakers on that man picking on that woman picking. You understand? When you know say this boy, if you just see her, you go just cut that man, do that thing. No, this boy not be you carry and come Europe. You understand? Not be you carry this boy come Europe. Man way pass Libya enter Europe, not be small boy. Now the mistake women for why they make be that one. Not be small boy. You don't see 99, no they fear 100. Now way pass flight, come pass Morocco, not see anything. Go pass Sahara Desert. If you feel cross Sahara Desert, you know say you strong. It's not easy. You see all these little girls with the misbehave on social media. Don't be their fault. They don't fit take all those things when they see for Sahara Desert. It don't crazy, don't enter your head. They call you they misbehave, they don't listen for Facebook. Don't be their fault. You understand? So if they talk to children for Europe, use wisdom. Add wisdom. They talk to them, they go respect you as a mother. But if you want to face, say, you want to let them know, say, man, you too much. They go bring you down. Because we're not sent. We don't get head. They go let you know, say, oh, mama, Ogu they kill you. You know, say they can't cause you go to pronounce. They go not count to you. Mama, Ogu they kill you a bewa. Which is not supposed to be so. You're supposed to be saying, mommy, not verse. Now, so they're going to tell you because why? You position yourself well in the right place. See our women for social media, no one will talk to because of a lalobo, small thing. It don't make sense. You feel me so? More not change. You understand? Why you gotta go back boy? Now vomit. Next time they see what in chop. Rita Ayemi open live screen. saying they do hookup, people go rush there. And they watch it Ayemi. Even at yesterday, they send me they forward me to Ayemi live video. And they watched her. And they see when she do the hookup. You know, same amount of things. But inside there, so if person say okay, he need woman, he call in for your program, he give her a woman, you give her an account, everything there with me for phone. All the details, everything. Therefore, what the matter come for me? Everything about the conversation. How you take pay €70 enter your account. Sparkazing for Jenny here. You feel me? You collect the money better style. You with the cocobiri where you marry before us. You understand? I not call your account is you. You understand? I mean, I'm basically saying, you know, say my mouth not good. I just come with peace. I walk up pass. Just come with peace. Lay advice for now. Because this is my regime. Nobody come bring people down. And to come encourage people. To come strengthen people. Give people wisdom. You don't understand? So for those now hook up things, when I tell you fraud people money, when I change it, not make sense. You go give one girl to 2 men. What it be that one? Now Oshofi, Olosho, now they do. Olosho now they do for the hookup. He gets on hookup now €100 they collect for their registration. Now meanwhile they talk, we they call, we they know what in they happen, we they investigate issues. If I talk, I talk with waiting I see, waiting I use my ear here, when I know something I read. How do they talk? I know they carry the false things they talk. You feel me? I did Leon. I see things with my eyes. You know so? I see things. Don't be say, oh, I go there life on that red. I sleep. I flex. I mean, you're busy with baby. You understand? So my people, we will use wisdom. Make children not gonna insult us. Make children not gonna fall our hand for social media. You understand? Mr. Ugu. It's a piece of advice. I'm not come insult you. It's just an advice as a brother. Change your ways. I felt the talk and your way go make the look you wear. This morning when you see someone touch and leave. I just always talk this thing. I dey pray say God, don't give me the money where go make me not know your way. You understand? Change your way. It don't make sense. Things where they do sometimes it don't make sense, bro. In every nonsense where they talk, there's a sense so. There's always a sense, but the nonsense to plenty. Nobody will not love women. Nobody will not like woman. You understand? Everybody, every man like woman. But my brother, try. Make you see they praise your wife. Try. Make you praise the woman where you put for house. Not just the praise other women because you want fuck to do. You understand? Now men when they talk, praise the wife where you put for house. Your mommy where they house. You understand me? My brother, Ugo, go pay your wife bride price. It don't do. Nobody want to tell you the truth. You be want pay the girl bride price where you go your fake engagement where you go knock shit through that deal. You be want pay a bride price. But the woman where you put for house where you born to picking for you, you never pay bride price. What do you see they wait for? The money was also the pay on not to do the marriage. You know what marry? You dey praise that woman, follow that woman yash. Only you want to go do this man where they follow inside group of women. Fear that man. Fear that man. Nobody want to tell you the truth. See small children, they insult you. See the Avielele that they come and they come insult you. You use Avielele against me to come insult me. Now he come against you, come insult you because why he knows rightfully say, you be like this. You understand? Now me be frank. If I want to run things, I go run things normal level. But you go be in the right way. No, they deceive women. You get woman for house with 2 good, beautiful children. You get for Nigeria, will be say born for you, single mother. The same you, I see the reason why you dey praise single mother because you turn woman to single mother for Nigeria. You turn woman to single mother for Nigeria. The same you still get Don't make one for here. Single mother too. You don't turn 2 women to single mother. Now you still get for AC. You dey follow all these women here and there. I know all your stories. You know? It's just that. Make peace reign. But be honest to these women. Be honest to yourself. Get married, my brother. You balance. You dey okay. You know they work fine. But you dey get them clear. In any way they get them clear. Use and marry the one with their house. May respect your body. May they call her your wife. Because it's your baby mama. And I want to also respect your wife. I want to praise that your wife they try, they test you. For Europe, they test you. Your wife they try, bro. That your wife not better woman. You never know. Until you go lose her. Till the day that your wife I go open. Another sharp man collect that woman for your hand. Even though you get 3 children for you. May they will go and collect them for your hand. For that's Jimmy. You know the story, not be Jimmy you did. And that time your eye go clear. You get better wife now. You don't want to go marry and make pay bride price for your head. They use how they play jumbo game, you know. Lucky game. They use how they play lucky game. They follow women, they enter train, they go with women house. No go put bride price, pay bride price for your wife head. May you get respect for people like me hand. You understand? That your wife they try, or that your wife now God, now your God be that one. No woman for Europe would try that nonsense. Follow your wife, I praise her. The other woman where I respect so much. Now my brother wife. What do they call her? A fair wife. There will be a time I'll create for those people to praise, to really praise those women. Woman will feel the try for woman. And they respect them. Woman will get patient for her. You don't see a fair marry you. He pay bride price. He marry your own. I respect that wife. Your own, you know, pay bride price. Pay that for your wife bride price. Because no woman will tolerate you, bro, for those things what they do. No woman will tolerate you. You go dig call with another woman. Now woman go inside house with you, they bear her. Hey, not be the woman women don't see for Europe. Now outside you go see your things. They test you. Outside, sharp, now you go see your things. Guy, those jars what they use, they work for you, or they test you. And they the way they cook for you and clear. So looking, you want start. Then they clear. They test you. Oh, good man. Don't go fuck. Why you going in your D? I read one. Or whatever be just the past constitution nuisance. The open group. They pack all those in the day and get. Single without depression. They pack them for good and they do it and they butter. Bokeke. Me now, tell me away. You know? All those kind of lifestyle. I greet you. I better not vex. Not vex so Ekme. So look, you don't carry a call. I greet you, not vex. Say I blocked you yesterday. You know that. Not vex. All of us now one love. What all? I must greet you. You understand? Now so just be, it's just the way it is. Stop all those kind of lifestyle. What they do, you know? Who are gangari who? Why you live video we can na music be you know again we yak bomu o ni gbe eko egbe boloso na mi toto we me hon we tin abokun we de wa mo kan you wa di bi na ge ezo di na no aji eyi egbe gun I voice oge but you be praising that women on stream on live video because we ugwa la hara.